Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Faizatul Gismah. You can call me Faiz. I am from Chemistry Education C. I will explain the trend in periodic table. What is trend in periodic table? Trend in periodic table can be seen from the properties in the periodic table. The properties of the periodic table include atomic radius, ionization energy. Trend in periodic table. There are many trends in periodic table. With the tendency in the periodic table, we can find out the properties of an element. The various tendencies in the periodic table are: Number one is atomic radius. Atomic radius is half of the distance between two nuclei and two metal atoms that are parallel or in a diatomic molecule. In one group, from top to bottom, the atomic radius tends to get bigger, and in one period, from left to right, the atomic radius to get smaller. And number two is ionization energy. Ionization energy is energy needed by an atom or ion in the gas phase to release the electron. In one group, from top to bottom, ionization energy to get smaller, whereas in one period, from to left to right, the ionization energy tends to increase. And next, electron affinity. Electron affinity is the quantity of energy changed when an atom or ion in the gas phase receives an electron. Electron affinity can be both positive or negative. This indicates that if the ions are negative, then the tendency of atom or ions to accept electron is greater than those that are positive. In one group, from top to bottom, electron affinity to get smaller, and in one period, from left to right, electron affinity to get bigger. And the next electronegativity. Electronegativity is measure of the ability of an atom in a molecule to attract electrons. The greater the electronegativity, the easier the atom will attract electrons to itself. In one period, from left to right, electronegativity to get bigger, and in one group, from top to bottom, electronegativity to get smaller. And the last, metallic and non-metallic. Metalloid elements have properties such as metals and non-metals. The nature of metal decreases from left to right, and from the bottom up periodic system do not accept hydrogen. Metalloid elements are in the leader, which replace metallic and non-metallic elements. Metal elements have properties good conductor of heat and electricity, malleable and ductile, relatively high melting points, and to release electrons to non-metallic elements. And so metal elements good conductors, and non-metal elements have properties. A non-conductor heat and electricity. Non-malleable and brittle, mostly gas at room temperature, requiring receiving electrons from metal. That's all my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.